Hi, welcome back. The next storage class that we are going to discuss here is external, the last one. External storage class is used to tell the compiler that the variable defined as extern is declared in an external linkage elsewhere in the program. It's a reference. The variable declared with the help of the keyword extern is considered as external, and it's a reference. It's not the declaration, it's a reference. The variable declared as extern is not allocated any memory. It's again I am saying that it's a reference to the compiler that the declaration, this is declared somewhere else in the program. So here the variable declared as extern are not allowed or not allocated any memory. It's only a declaration and intended to specify that the variable is declared elsewhere in the program. Okay. The default initial value of external integral type is 0, otherwise it's null. So by default it is 0, otherwise if we are not assigning any value for this external variable, it is considered as null. We can only initialize the extern variable globally. So we can't initialize the variable, initialize in the sense assigning a values inside the block or a method. Okay, we cannot initialize the external variable within any block or method. An external variable can be declared many times but can be initialized at only once. Okay, so we can declare the variable many times in the program, but initialization can be performed only once. If the variable is declared as external, then the compiler searches for that variable to be initialized somewhere in the program, which may be extern or static. If it is not, then the compiler will show an error. Okay, let me run a sample program for this. Okay, and here this is the case. Extern variable is there, it's not initialized, so I am running the program. Here is an error, undefined reference to A. Actually, this statement is a reference, not a declaration. This is not a declaration. Again and again I am saying this is not a declaration. That is the meaning of the statement. The variable declared as extern are not allocated any memory. So normally in the case of a declaration, what is the meaning of that? Memory is allocating. But in this case, by using the external keyword, we are saying to the compiler that it's a reference. Okay, somewhere outside the program we are declaring the variable. That is the meaning of this. So if we are not declaring anything externally or globally, then the compiler is saying that undefined reference to A. So there is no variable named A inside the program. Then why you are saying that somewhere a declaration is there? So that is the meaning of this. If I am declaring here as int A, then run the program. Okay, now it's okay. Now we are saying the compiler understands that compiler searches for the program. Somewhere outside the program there is a variable declaration. Compiler searches for that. If it is okay, it identifies the variable and saying that it's okay. And the point is, global default initial value of external integral part is 0. So that is why it is considered as 0 here. Okay, and if I am trying to initialize here as 10, it's showing error. That is the important thing. External variable, this is a reference, it's not an initialization part, it's a reference. So we can't initialize a value here. Instead of that, we can initialize the value globally. Okay, so this is a concept of extern storage class. You can declare the variable many times, but initialization can be performed only once, and it should be a global initialization. And the external variable can be static. That means memory allocation can be that kind of memory allocation in between the functions can be possible in the case, because it's not storing in a registers. Okay, external variable declaration, the variables are not storing in the registers. It's a normal declaration. But we are saying to the compiler that this declaration somewhere in the program is available. Please search for that. We are giving a reference to the compiler by using the variable, by using the external storage class. Okay, hope you understand the concept. Thank you.